Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 4, that is Vedic Age. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about advent of Aryans, division of the Bengal, Vedic period, sorry. So, what is advent of the Aryan? Coming of Aryan marks beginning of new civilization in the northwestern India. It was quite different from earlier Indus Valley civilization. He one of the chief source of information है on the lifestyle of the period of Rig Veda and other Veda. This is Sham Ved, Yajurved, Atharved. And the period when Vedas were composed, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं Vedic period, right? So the Vedic age is extremely important period in the history. दो important development यहाँ पे हुए थे. First was change from pastoral semi-nomadic life to more settled life. और दूसरा क्या था? Political, social और religious field में क्या हुआ था? Progress हुआ. आर्यंस जो थे वो कहाँ से आए थे? ईरान से और सेंट्रल एशिया से. And they were a tribe to migrate in different parts of the world. Now, division of Vedic period. So, the reason where Aryans first settled in India was Sapta Sindhu. So, सबसे पहले आके जहाँ पे सेटल हुए थे वो सप्त सिंधु था, जिसे हम ब्रह्मवर्त भी कहते हैं. This period of their stay ranging from 1500 BC to 1000 इसको हम अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड कहते हैं. And most of the information about this period come from Vedas. कहाँ से मिलती है? वेदास से. And the Aryans arrived in Indo-Gangetic plain between 1000 to 600 BC. और इस पीरियड को क्या कहा जाता है? जब इंडो-गैंगेटिक plains में आए थे some later Vedic period, right? And this region came to be known as Aryavarta. Aryans had better horses and better weapons helped them to fight. Dashyus जो थे वो they arrived in the batches and they were divided into many tribes. Each tribe wanted to dominate other and resulted in not only war between Aryans and Dasyus but also intertribal wars. इनके बीच में क्या हुआ? Intertribal wars हुआ. वहीं हम वेदास की बात करें, means knowledge. Vedas are treasure, source of knowledge and collective wisdom of the earth. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Ved, Yajurved, Samved, Atharved. Rig Ved क्या है? Oldest book in the world which was composed of 3500 years ago and is a collection of prayer in honor of Hindu god and goddess. And 3 gods were especially important: Indra, god of war or rain; Agni, the god of fire; and Soma, the plant from which what special drink was prepared. ऋग्वेद को हमने 10 मंडल्स में डिवाइड करा है और वॉल्यूम्स, और इसमें 1028 हिम्स, राइट? दे वर आल्सो कॉल्ड सुक्ता. नेक्स्ट इज सामवेद विच इज प्योरली लिटरिकल कलेक्शन ऑफ मेलोडीज. मतलब समर, यहाँ पे हिम्स होते हैं, म्यूजिकल नोट्स होते हैं, एंड दे आर कंप्लीटेड ऑन बाय ऋग्वेदा एंड दे हैव डिस्टिंक्ट लेसन ऑन देयर ओन. सामवेद और द विजडम ऑफ 10 डे बेसिकली ये कलेक्शन है समांस. And these were meant for a priest who officiated at the rituals of Soma ceremonies. यहाँ पे chants और melodies होती है, वो हम गाते हैं, worship करते हैं और perform करते हैं warriors में. ठीक है. यजुर्वेद is also liturgical collection and was made to meet the demands of ceremonial religion. यजुर्वेद, और जैसे हम wisdom of sacrifice भी कहते हैं, it lays a very sacred innovation which is chanted particularly sect of priest called Atharvari. And Atharveda, it is because of the families of Atharvan sect of Brahmins have traditionally been credited with the composition of Vedas. इसमें आपके hymns होते हैं, मंत्र होते हैं, incarnation, and largely that is outside the scope of yajna. If we talk about Rigvedic age, social life की बात करें तो यहाँ पे joint family जो थी वो smallest social unit होती थी, headed by senior most male member. Women की जो held a position of respect in the society, right? They could attend assemblies and other for prayers during this period. अपाला, घोष और विश्वरा, इन्होंने क्या करे थे? हिम्स कंपोज करे, राइट? नो रिलीजियस सेरेमनी वुड बी परफॉर्म अनलेस द वाइस वाज प्रेजेंट. जब तक वाइस प्रेजेंट नहीं होते कोई भी रिलीजियस सेरेमनी नहीं होती. वुमेन को चूज देयर हस्बैंड सेरेमनी कॉल्ड दैट इज स्वयंवरा. वर्ण सिस्टम पहले जो थी, जो सोसाइटी थी, वो वर्ण स्किन कलर पर डिवाइडेड थी. द फेयर स्किन आर्यंस कंसिडर डार्क स्किन दशाज एज इंफीरियर. And they were originally जो थे वो inhabited थे where the Aryans settled. Now among the Aryans, 4 sections of the society from the highest to lowest were Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishyas and Sudras. जो आपके प्राइस्ट होते थे, ये जितनी रिलीजियस सेरेमनीज होती थी उसको देखते थे. किंग और द वॉरियर्स दे प्रोटेक्टेड द ट्राइब फ्रॉम हार्म, है ना? And the Vaishyas were mainly farmers and craftsmen. Those who worked on others were Sudras. Dasars, जो ardent and disobeyed social rules, were also considered as Sudras. The system of social division किस पे बेस्ड था? ऑक्यूपेशन पे. और फिर किस में चेंज हुआ? कास्ट सिस्टम में. और अब क्या है? वर्ण सिस्टम, दैट इज कास्टल. रिलीजियस बिलीफ, नेचर वर्शिप की बात करें, ये ग्रेट वर्शिपर्स थे नेचर के. दायुस पितार, स्काई गॉड. सूर्य, सन गॉड. अग्नि, फायर गॉड. राइट. इंद्र, गॉड ऑफ रेन, वाटर, थंडर. रुद्र, स्ट्रॉम और लाइटनिंग. यमा, डेथ. यूषा, गॉडेस ऑफ डॉन, गॉड ऑफ वाटर. वरुण, वायु, गॉड ऑफ ब्रेक. Now next is performance of yajna. Rigvedic Aryans did not worship idols. There were no rituals and sacrifice. They simply performed yajna and chanted hymns in praise of their gods and sought their place. अगर हम political life की बात करें, so the Aryans were divided into small tribes or clans, which often used to fight with each other and also with indigenous people. Each tribe has its own ruler as Rajan, and he was originally elected because of his bravery and wisdom. But later what happened, kingship become hereditary. But still there were some popular assemblies जो कि थी, जैसे सभा और समिति. इनको कौन गाइड करता था? जो रूलर्स होते. Samiti was regarded as general assembly, while Sabha was regarded as council of elders. The Kenika assisted the number of ministers, and the Purohits and Senani were the most important. Purohit जो थे वो religious advisor थे. जो पुरोहित क्या थे? Religious advisor. और सेनानी कौन थे? Leader of the army. Right? And the Aryans were good fighter. They used to fight horseback or chariots, bows, arrows, swords, lances, spears, axes. और जिनका चीफ आपका जो चीफ वेपन था वो ऑफेंस का. लाइव वाइट जो हेलमेट, आर्म गार्ड्स, मेटल प्लेट्स, कोट ऑफ आर्मर, ये चीफ वेपन है किसके? डिफेंस. ना इकोनॉमिक लाइफ, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट फार्मिंग, नॉलेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, उनको ज्यादा नॉलेज थी. एंड दे यूज प्लो शेयर मेड अप ऑफ वुड. दे न्यू डिफरेंट सीजन, दे हैव डिफरेंट इफेक्ट ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. हर्डिंग की बात करें, यहाँ पे ये लोग पेस्टरल थे. दे काउंटेड वेल्थ इन कैटल एंड शीप. राइट. काउ वॉज वन ऑफ देयर फेवरेट एनिमल, and they use sake of cows and what, and they generally reared cattle, sheep and horse. Other occupation, they were artisans, craftsmen, metal worker, chariot maker, potter, weaver, leather worker. Gold and silver were used to make the ornaments. हम gold और silver का use करते हैं ornaments पर. वहीं डेली लाइफ की बात करें, फूड, द फूड ऑफ अर्ली आर्यंस कंसिस्टेड ऑफ व्हीट, बार्ले, राइस, वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट, मीट, हनी, मिल्क, बटर, घी. और सोमा और सूरा, ये कुछ पॉपुलर ड्रिंक्स थी जिनको हम मोस्टली यूज करते हैं फॉर रिलीजियस ओकेजन. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ड्रेस, सो आर्यन वोर ड्रेसेस मेड अप ऑफ कॉटन एंड वील, जस्ट एज हरप्पा. Men wore a light clothes over their shoulders along with dhoti and turbans. Right? Women covered themselves with long and loose clothes. Just like साड़ी, they also wore ornament जो आपका गोल्ड, सिल्वर और अदर मेटल का बना हुआ था. राइट. फुटवेयर भी पहनते थे. वहीं हम रिक्रिएशन की बात करें, म्यूजिक, डांस, हंटिंग, हॉर्स, चैरियट, रेसिंग, गैमनी, ये कुछ फेवरेट क्या थे? पास टाइम्स थे आदि से. नाउ लेटर वैदिक एज, वहीं हम सोशल लाइफ की बात करें तो वुमेन वन कंसिडर्ड इंफीरियर टू मैन एंड ऑक्युपाइड लोअर पोजीशन इन द सोसाइटी. इनका जो प्रेजेंस था, दे वर इनिशियल एसेंशियल इन रिलीजियस सेरेमनी. वहीं सोशल डिवीजन, ब्राह्मण एंड क्षत्रिय, दे कोऑपरेटेड इन रूलिंग सोसाइटी टुवर्ड्स एंड ऑफ लेटर पीरियड. वैश्यस हु वर ऑरिजिनरी फार्मर, वो क्या करे? उन्होंने अपने ऑक्यूपेशन को ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स के द्वारा शिफ्ट कर. Sudras were now engaged in cultivation of land and also in menial job. They were still deprived of nanny privilege. जो भी आपके अपर कास्ट के लोग, now this means that a son had to carry on the father possession and change of possession नहीं करने में. New subcastes emerged and some of the professions like you have disposing of dead bodies are looked upon and work were considered untouchable. जो upper caste है, they touched untouchable, उनको ritual purification से purify होना पड़ता था दोबारा से. पॉलिटिकल लाइफ की बात करें, राजन जो है वाज नाउ द किंग एंड हैड अ पावर ऑफ आर्मी इन किंगडम. इस प्रेस्टाइज जो था वो किस पे डिपेंड करता था? एक्सटेंट ऑफ द एरियन करते. ही यूज्ड टू एक्ट एज अ चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हिज किंगडम एंड ही अडॉप्टेड द टाइटल ऑफ महाराजा धीराज. एंड द साइज एंड पावर of different states were generally increased. Vast came to be used for definite territory. जो definite territory इसके लिए हम क्या word use करते थे? That is vast. The king performed many religious sacrifices, exert his territory. Rajaswa Yajan was performed to confer supreme power on the himself. Ashmedha Yajan was performed for asserting the authority over an area. Right? So we have Purohita, chief priest, perform elaborate, which is Senani, commander of army, or Sanghitri, that is collecting tax, जो tax collect करता था. If we talk about religious beliefs, Solid Vedic god Indra, Varun and Agni, they become to be lose importance. These were now replaced by Prajapati, that is Brahman, creator, Vishnu the preserver, Mahesh the destroyer. ठीक है? तो आपको याद रखना है प्रजापति क्रिएटर, विष्णु preserver और महेश destroyer. Hinduism as it exists today began to shape in later period. Now worship was accompanied by sacrifice. Ceremonies were organized on special occasions जैसे birth of child, marriage, donation of cattle, clothes and other valuables were given to the priests or brahmins on such occasion. वहीं हम बात करें economic life की, so around 3000 years ago iron was discovered. The use of weapon जैसे sword axes increased in later Vedic period. Forest should be cleared off more easily and effectively by iron tools, and later what happened, Vedic people cultivated land to grow crop. ठीक है, उन्होंने land को cultivate करा crop को grow करने के. Mixed farming become the norm. They had land. The land became the measure of wealth and power in the society. The cows continued to be reversed. The pottery was turned on wheel and they were grain color. They were polished and were called red black ware. A culture form painted grey ware culture. Trade was an important occupation of the people. Merchants organized themselves into guilds, right, in the existence form of Niksha, Sakmana or Kashman. It was replaced the cow as a unit of value. भाई एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं, गर्ल्स रिलेटेड एजुकेशन एट होम और बॉयज को कहाँ भेजा जाता था, गुरुकुल में, राइट. And the pupils served guru in the return for the knowledge gained. Knowledge was passed orally in Sanskrit. Most of the knowledge जो थी वो वैदिक लिटरेचर की थी. On grammar, astronomy, medicine, art of warfare, music, they were also taught. Now developments in other Chalcolithic settlement. While Rig Vedic was being composed in northwest of the subcontinent, the other development was taking place in various parts. That's why archaeologists have found that burial sites at a number of places which have brought light another way of life. वहीं megalithics in burial की बात करें, ये combination of words है. Mega means big and lithics means stone. And megaliths refers to big stone or a stone boulder. They were used to mark the burial sites in the northeast, Kashmir and thought the Deccan area and south India. The practice of erecting megaliths began in 3000 years ago, and megaliths on the surface while other megaliths burials were often underground. They have found circle of stone boulders and some prominent megalith sites जो थी वो कौन-कौन सी थी आपकी, ब्रह्मगिरी, मस्की, राजन कोलार इन कर्नाटका, भागीमारी, Maharashtra and north and south are there, right? We have Orissa, Gonds of Bastar and Bodos of North India. They are still erect mahis, मतलब monoliths है जो आपके कैमोरेट सिंबल ऑफ व्हाट फॉर डिक्रीज यूज कर रहे हैं. सोशल डिफरेंसेस की बात करें तो इन ब्रह्मगिरी वन ऑफ द स्केलेटन वाज डिस्कवर्ड with 33 gold beads and 2 stone beads and 4 copper and 1 what and 1 count shell, and while other skeleton has only few ports. The evidence क्या suggest करते हैं that there were some differences in status among the people who were buried. It is believed that rich high status person उनको बरी कराया जाता था ज्वेलरी के साथ, एसरीज के साथ, और जो कॉमन होते थे उनको फ्यू पोस्ट बॉट फुल. Family burial sport. Archaeologists have also found that megalith under which there were many skeletons, and this suggests that perhaps the member of the same family were buried in the same place in different times, and the bodies of whose family member who died later, they were brought into the burials through the porthole, and the portholes were used as an entrance for bringing those bodies into burials. And people found out family burial sites whenever required through a stone circle or boulders that were placed on the surface in a books. कहाँ place किया जाता था? Surface. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.